Hello, welcome to Glendy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to delete Rednote account. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Rednote account. The next thing is to click on the Me option found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, you just have to click on the three lines found at the top left corner of your screen. Click on Settings. Click on Account Security. So clicking on account security, you just have to scroll down and click on account cancellation. So this is the terms of service, so you just have to agree to it. But if you don't understand it, I'll advise you download your Google Translator in order to read the terms of service to get the full understanding. Just click on the toggle line here and click on the next option here, and also click on the red tag. That way you'll be able to delete your Rednote account on your device. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.